Hello everyone, welcome to H2K Infosys. Today we're going to learn a very important concept that is about the NumPy arrays. How we can create the arrays and how it is much better than the list. We see all those things step by step. Okay, NumPy basically stands as numerical Python. It is used for the high level of computation, high level of mathematical computations in data science and in data analytics and all. What we can say is it is the building block for the data analysis and the data science. You have already learned about a list. List is a versatile. We can store a multiple data with the multiple data types. Whereas NumPy will create an array very similar to the list. It has a capacity for creating the multi-dimensional arrays. And also it provides the high performance. How it provides the high performance and how the operations are better than list, let's learn those things step by step. So here we have created a list and then we are trying to double, means we are multiplying the list by 2. But we cannot do this task directly. We have to use the loops and multiply it. Let's see this in the coding platform. So here a list is created with the name my_list, where I have stored a numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have created the empty list, double list. Once if I multiply that, I will be storing that result in the doubled list. So to multiply with the 2, I am using the for loop so that one by one element can be taken and then multiplied. And then I am directly appending it in the doubled list. And here is the multiplication operation. After that, I am printing it. So here what I get the result. If I directly multiply that my_list into 2, I will not be getting the result. It will be something different. Like I get the same. It will be concatenated. So here what we have the result. If I do the multiplication directly, I get the result like this. Something like a concatenation. Now if I want to do the same thing with the NumPy arrays, here we don't have to use the loops. We can do the things directly. That is the advantage of NumPy. So if we want to use the NumPy, first we have to import that module. The module name is NumPy, and then I am giving the nickname, that is a short name for NumPy. It is the most commonly used name, that is ENP. Okay, so wherever if you want to use the NumPy module, you can directly write NP. So here is my array, same like a list. I am creating an array. To create a array, I have to use numpy.array, but NP is a short name, so I am directly using np.array. Array is a function used to create the arrays. I am creating the same array, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the round bracket is used and the numbers are written inside it, and then I'm directly multiplying it by 2 here. Here it's not necessary to use the for loops. Now if I print the results, I get the results. So you can see the comparison here. Here if I do the multiplication directly, it is concatenating. Whereas in NumPy has the capacity of getting the result directly. Okay, let me come back. So this is how it is much faster than the list. Hence we can say that it provides the high performance. Almost we can say it is double. So only it is compared for the lightning of bolt. And here we can say the list, we can compare it for the hourglass. So we have to get the result one by one, whereas here we get the results directly. Now the core advantage of this NumPy array is, as already I have said, here the performance and the storage and the capacity is much better than the list, and it has a vast collection of the mathematical functions such as linear algebra, Fourier transforms, and many other operations. And what we can say is it is the backbone of almost all other numerical and data science libraries used in the Python. So this is a very much necessary even for the data science, because it do all the crucial task of data cleaning or transformation, the statistical analysis and all. NumPy, what we can say is it allows the Python to compete with the languages like R and MATLAB and all, which is used for the numerical computing. So it is giving us, it has made our job easy. We can do all the operations within a single line. So this is how it is important. So let's see the more operations of NumPy and all in the next class. Till then, thank you. Bye.